how to update apps automatically over Wi-Fi only without using mobile data. This tutorial will show you how to enable automatic app updates over Wi-Fi only on the Google Play Store. First, open the Google Play Store app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now select Settings from the menu. Next, go to Network Preferences. Here, tap on Auto Update Apps. You will see different update options. I've already selected Update over Wi-Fi only. Once you choose this option, Google Play Store will automatically update your apps whenever your phone is connected to a Wi-Fi network, helping you save mobile data. That's it. You have successfully enabled Wi-Fi only automatic app updates on the Google Play Store. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple Android tips and how-to guides. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our latest tutorials, tricks, and helpful settings guides.